Hello everyone, this is Ryan from Foxtecc, and today I'm going to show you how to use Grok AI on your iPhone. This is a quick and straightforward guide, so let's get right into it. First, you'll need to make sure that the X app, which was formerly known as Twitter, is updated to the latest version. To do this, open the App Store on your iPhone and check for any updates for the X app. Once you're certain that it's up to date, go ahead and launch the app. Log in with your account credentials if you aren't already logged in. Next, tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen to open the side menu. Depending on the version of the app you have, you might need to navigate to either the Settings or the More section. In this section, look for any options related to Grok or AI features. The exact name might vary, but it should be relatively easy to spot. If Grok is available on your account, the app will guide you through the process of enabling or activating it. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to get Grok up and running. Once activated, you'll be able to interact with Grok directly within the app. You can start by asking Grok questions or making specific requests through the text input field. Grok is designed to help you with a wide range of queries, providing responses that are tailored to your needs. Additionally, Grok might offer suggestions or insights based on your activity within the X platform. Take your time to explore these responses, and don't hesitate to ask follow-up questions if you need further clarification or more detailed assistance. Grok is there to refine the information and ensure you get the help you need. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and updates. See you later.